Have you heard of ChatGPT yet? It's the latest AI model from OpenAI that has taken over the internet recently. Let me show you how amazing it is. You can ask it to write code for a function. For example, I asked it to write a function that takes a list of numbers and returns their sum of squares. And behold, it did write the code correctly. Not only that, I asked it to run that same function for a certain input, and it understood the context and ran the code without any problem. ChatGPT can do a lot of fun stuff. For example, here I told it to tell a joke about a panda and a koala. And there you go. A short and funny joke where it made fun with the word qualified. Then I asked it to make a longer one, and it came up with a longer one. Then I asked it to write a poem where a panda is eating noodles. I wasn't expecting much, but to my surprise, ChatGPT wrote a 12 lines long poem, which I think was pretty amazing. See, the words noodles, chopstick, slurp, all the context words someone would have expected. Finally, I thought, okay, how about I ask it to write a TikTok script for a video about itself? And it did. It wrote a very usable TikTok script introducing ChatGPT with real opening and closing lines. Isn't that amazing? What do you think? Let me know in the comment. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and follow me on TikTok or YouTube, where I post about data science to help understand the concepts and techniques for analyzing data so that you never feel stuck with data. Thanks for watching.